So guys, again we arrive safely here for our 2 nights and 3 not actually not 3 days staycation, 2 nights na lang kasi alas 3 sa Pilipinas. Ito tayo guys, mag-house tour muna tayo. Tuturo ko muna tayo. Ito siya, we've been here before, I think 2 years ago, but we stayed on that glamping pad down there. So may naka ano na doon, may nauna na doon. So dito kami ngayon. Ito ang binigay namin sa amin. So mag house tour tayo guys ha. So ito tayo dito. Ito muna daw kami ni Madam. Mamaya na yung bahay guys. So ito ang view natin sa ating 2 days and ano. Dati kasi nung pumunta kami dito is winter na. So medyo hindi na ganito ka ano yung ano, malamig na pati noon. Tsaka makulimlim, maulan pati nung pumunta kami noon last time. So yun guys ang ating view for 2 days. Yan. Then pakita ko rito guys. Dito muna tayo guys. So ang gumanda na to guys. Actually the best thing about this one is like in-improve na nila ang kanilang wigwam or the glamping pad. Tapos binago daw nila to. Yan. Then dito muna tayo guys. Punta muna tayo dito. So yan ang ating ano. Yan. May hot tub dyan. Tagalin natin to ng ano. Yan. Mainit na yung tubig dyan guys. Mamaya maliligo tayo dyan. So dito na tayo sa susunod. So yan, may upuan pa rito. If we need to relax. Yan. Meron tayong upuan din dito. And magkape-kape lang. So ganito lang ang buhay guys. After our hard work, sometimes we need to go somewhere that we've never been before. Even though we've been here, it's our second time. But the most important thing is the memories that we're gonna be create again in our weekend getaway. So yun, at least tinutulungan and as much as possible guys, because I've noticed on some of my comments on my YouTube channel, they can't understand what I'm talking about, so I'm trying to speak in English na as much as I can. So yun, just ignore my grammar sometimes because they don't really correct you how you say or how you construct your grammar. Ganun lang ba? So
as long as they understand.
As long as they understand, then that's fine. So meron din dito guys na table. So this is our staycation. Come on, let's go. We're gonna dito, a house tour. So welcome to our sinanay. Nandun na. Ano nanay, what can you say about what can you say about our glamping pad?
Yes,
So si ate relax na. Then look at them. They have their own side. They have their own area where they si Kuya relax na rito guys. Are you okay guys? Are you okay?
Going on master bedroom.
This is master bedroom guys. So okay siya. And then ganun. So, diba?
Ganda ng harap.
So that's the bedroom actually it's really highly recommended to guys.
May pa sila throw.
Ang ganda, diba? So yan, and then this is the bathroom. And then it's okay siya guys. Actually
Buksan mo nga yung
here's the light.
Maganda siya. Maganda walang naman. Pati yung view, yun ang maganda.
Yun ang maganda view talaga. Baka yan ba? Solar siguro.
Hindi yan.
Hindi siguro. Dito.
Meron ditong wifi.
Meron nanay? So may free na tong wifi din guys. So this one ito mga pull out to guys. Ito. Bin.
Ikaw mga anak sa wifi.
So
Alam
ito,
niyo ng wifi dito?
Pull out to guys yung mga to. Pull out.
Basahin mo dun nando sa folder. Nasa folder yung
So, i-ano mo nga yung ni nanay.
Check the Wi-Fi here.
Wi-Fi. Connect na sa Wi-Fi kasi Wi-Fi is included. Yun ang kagandahan dito guys, may Wi-Fi na. So, yun siya. Kaya nga,
Yung bed, ano yung pull out din yan?
pull out to guys. Ito pakita ko sa inyo. Kaya lang, adan si Kubunso sa, ito yata.
Doesn't say the Wi-Fi name.
Ate
Yeah.
Alexa, please.
It
Yes.
says Wi-Fi. Just
Yes,
a
yan yung
Ano
Wi-Fi.
password?
Ano?
Gaps.
Or caps.
Yeah.
All small letters.
Mm.
That's the Wi-Fi.
Ah.
password.
Yeah, that's the
password,
Wi-Fi.
yeah. We from holiday.
And what's the password?
It will come out. It
It will
will,
come
ano.
Okay.
So that's the password. So yun. And then there's a built-in dito guys. May lutuan din dito. So yan. All in all, this is 10 out of 10. Again, napakaganda siya. Ilang minuto na ba yan? 5
5.
minutes. Gagawin natin 8 minutes. So, iyan mo lang ng ganun. So yan, dito tayo ngayon.
Yung view ang maganda.
Yung bata doon nakakahubad doon. So dito guys, dito tayo. May maganda rin talaga dito. Then, itutour na rin dito na kasi dalawang pad ang kinuha namin. Kasi hindi kami kakasya sa isang pad lang. So, pupunta tayo dito sa kabila. So, come on. Let's go. Pupunta tayo dito guys. Actually, malapit lang. And then, itong area, hindi siya ganun kadami. Ano lang siya?
Ano na, 7
Yeah,
pads.
and then 7 pads. So, not so too crowded. And you have your own bathroom in your glamping pad. So, mas maganda siya. And the owner is really accommodating ba? And he's really good. Nakausap na namin kanina. Ayun ang bahay ng may-ari guys. So, victim na si Manong ba? So yun, come on guys. So this is the second one na kinuha. Although siguro i-develop pa nila kasi yun daw. Sabi pala kaya yun daw na medyo simentado na or parang naka-tiles kasi gagawa lang nila, tinatry nila na i-improve. So maybe in a few years time ito rin to, na-improve na rin. So pasok tayo dito guys. Ito naman ang sa kabila meron din. Kasi ito naman ang sila Chantal. Dito sila naman. And then actually maganda rin naman. Yun. Tapos ito may sarili ring may lutuan. Actually wala naman kaming problema sa kasi kahit saan naman pwede magluto. And then maganda rin naman dito guys. So comfortable talaga. Then there's also have a bathroom here. Yun. And all in all, at ang most important thing talaga guys, sa umaga pagising mo, yung dadaan ka pa lang o susunod mo yung camera, gaganon ka pa lang o. Diba? Diba? Gaganon ka lang o. Yun ang diba? Kaya mo yung tingnan mo yung view. Oh, ang ganda oh. So yun, babalik tayo doon. Sarado kayo muna natin para di masyadong So yun, babalik tayo doon sa amin. Guys, ibaba kami. Nakalok. Relax siguro.
Hindi.
Ay, gumulaw eh. Hayaan mo na muna. Ganyan lang. Mamaya mo lang.
Ano mo lang siguro dun, gaganon.
Pagdalin?
Hindi, ganon mo lang. Hindi.
Hindi luluwagan. Oh, luluwagan doon.
Una isa.
Kaya nga, andyan yung susi nila.
Saan?
Saan nakakatutok? Kaya ano mo? Ay, babalik tayo dun guys. Ako na. At babalik na tayo dito guys ha. Yan ang ating